Don't make potatoes before you watch this video. I've got the perfect recipe for lunch or dinner. In a frying pan, we're going to start by adding 200 grams of bacon. We'll stir it and wait until it starts frying. Meanwhile, in a container, we'll add 3 already cooked potatoes, 100 grams of mozzarella, 200 grams of cream cheese or sour cream, and I'll season it with a little paprika, black pepper, and a little salt, and then we'll mash all of this really well. Now, at this point, we're going to add a little butter. The amount's up to you, and on top, we've got our fried bacon. Once that's done, now just mix all of this together really well. Then we're going to take it and we're now going to move it to a serving platter. We'll let that hang out for a sec. Now guys, I'm going to cut potatoes into slices. Here I use this grater, but you can also cut them into very thin slices with a knife. Once that's done, we just take these slices and add them on top of our puree. Now on top you can brush a bit of butter, oil, olive oil, whatever you prefer. And to finish it off, I grated some parmesan cheese. The quantity is also to your liking. And to give it that special touch, a bit of oregano. Once that's done guys, we just grab it and we'll take it to the oven preheated to 130 degrees and let it bronze. And look at this guys, what an amazing recipe. Super quick, easy and delicious, and it is super beautiful to serve at your lunch or dinner. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another little recipe from the poor guy in the kitchen. A big hug. See you. Big hug. See you next time, and thanks.